As we continued our explorations of the Olympic Peninsula, we headed south from Nia Bay and set up camp at the Rainforest Resort Village at Lake Quinault.
We've been camping at the Rainforest Village Resort for 4 nights. It's just really cool here.
Yep, it's beautiful right on the lake, and we're even right next to the world's biggest spruce tree.
We'll take you over there and show you how it looks.
So this big old tree is 191 feet tall. It's about 1,000 years old and about 58 feet around. We also have great access to the Quinault National Recreational Trail System.
There's an entry point about 100 yards away from our camper, and it leads to at least 5 different trails we can take. So here at the entrance, there's a general store, a post office, a laundry room, and a restaurant.
Yep, there's lots of amenities right on site.
Lake Quinault and the Rainforest Resort Village are 2 more hidden gems we found in Washington. We're so glad to have stumbled upon this campground and its proximity to the rainforest and the waterfront.
Yeah, not to mention the entrance to the national park is just right down the road. So there's great hiking here, there's great hiking inside the park. It's just been a beautiful stay.